Thank you for considering the BitTrade1 USB Cable Checker 2 for your USB cable testing needs. This innovative device is designed to provide efficient and precise measurements to ensure your cables are functioning optimally. Supporting various interface types such as USB MiniB, microB, and Type-C, it offers remarkable versatility. The compact design, measuring only 0.5 inches in height, 3.5 inches in width, and 2.1 inches in depth, makes it highly portable and convenient to use. Equipped with a clear digital display, the USB Cable Checker 2 delivers quick and accurate readings, making the tool ideal for both professional and personal use. Users have found it particularly valuable for testing cable integrity and identifying faulty connections in various USB cable types. With the BitTrade1 USB Cable Checker 2, you can confidently maintain the quality and performance of your USB peripherals.